can make a tower out of it. Where am I gonna keep it? Like my whole house is full with all the things, with all my books. Yes. Hi everyone, this is Shivangi Singh. I am an MBBS student currently studying in 4th year, doing my MBBS from Ukraine, Bogomolets University. So you must be thinking, why am I here? So I am here for this. Yes, these are Marrow Notes, edition 5. What is so special about this and why is it different from other editions? So what I know and what I have heard, that it is mostly clinically oriented and it has a clinical core. So let's start. Let's see what's there inside. So I can show you, it's quite heavy. I'm not sure if it's all the part. I guess there are 2 parts, like set 1 and set 2. So it weighs around 18 kg. So here it is. I'll show you, it's heavy. So okay, and so I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna show you what's really inside it. Okay, so let's start. Packaging is nice. You can see Marrow written over here. It is great. So I'll start. Oh, nice. So the box is really cute. I'll put a picture if possible, but I'll show you right now. It's heavy, so again, I'll just lift it up and show you. So here it's written, finally we meet. I'll show you. Finally we meet. And okay, so let's open it. Okay, there's a gift inside, yeah, but I'll show you that at the last. So stick to this video, stick to it till the end, then I'll show you what's inside. So I'm gonna just swiftly hide it. Okay, so here is a note. So it's written that the clinical core edition. I'll just put a picture in the screen what's it's really written. So you must be thinking, so I'm in a 4th year and why I bought this notes. So I'll tell you very honestly, I know I'm a medical student and I should be very consistent and I should be like studying, but I'm a person who is very inconsistent. Like it's for me, it's like black and white. It's either all or nothing. So if I start, I'll do it for like days, but if I stop, I'll stop for months. Yeah, I'm that kind of person. So for that reason, I thought, like, why not try something else? Like for 4 years, I was trying to do many things. I was trying different methods, and for me, like, few of the methods actually worked. But again, I said I was very inconsistent, and I don't want that. To achieve something, you have to be consistent. And what really happened with me is, I used to make notes. I have notes from my 1st year, I have notes from my 2nd year, and there's the program, the MBBS program is of 6 years in Ukraine. So I have notes, but honestly, whenever I look at my notes, I really don't feel like studying it. Why? First of all, I feel like I have written all of the video, just like not summarized, but actually copy pasted the whole video in my notes. So that finishes the why do you make notes? To like summarize it or to make it shorter to save your time. But I used to make notes like very detailed, which is good in some way, but sometimes it's very time consuming. And but this note taking thing got better in 2nd to 3rd year. But again, whenever I open my notes, I'm like, I don't want to study it. Like my handwriting is not so great and all that. Like there's something missing. There are no pictures, yeah, and like lack of imagination, of course. So that's why I thought, let's try something else. Let's try something which can help you like to be better or focus on studies. I know the mostly people buy this notes who are in 6th year or who are doing internship, but I thought why not, let's give it a try. There's no harm, like पढ़ना ही तो है, we can do it, right? So पढ़ने के लिए कुछ भी. So here I am. Many of my friends suggested that I shouldn't do it, but I wanted to do it. Like I wanted to give it a try for myself to see if it really works for me. Okay, so there's an envelope, and in envelope there is, oh nice. I'm like a big fan of DC comics and Marvels, and look what I got. I can show you. You can see it. So these are doctors in the form of superheroes, which we actually are, seeing the current scenario, and actually we are superheroes, right? So yeah, so this has Superman, oh Black Panther, Iron Man, Thor, Hulk, and many others. Of course, Batman. And what else? Okay. Oh, nice. There are markers, bookmarkers, tags, which you can use it. Yeah, it's kind of a tag. It's tag, bookmarker, like whatever way you want to use it. Hey, it's nice. It has a heart. Wow, nice. Okay. So you must be thinking when I will start with the notes, right? Okay, so let's start. So basically there are 19 subjects. That's what they said, that they will be giving us 19 books, 19 subject books. But right now I'm not sure if these are all, but let's see. If there is, then I'll make part 1 and part 2. Okay, so first I got medicine. Okay, this is medicine. This is how it looks. There's something written behind it. To solve a difficult problem in medicine, don't study it directly, but rather pursue a curiosity about nature, and the rest will follow. Do basic research. Nice. So, looking at the volume. Oh, this is nice. Like this has pictures with ECG and everything. This is nice. This will help. And obviously it has better handwriting than me, so I'm all for it. Oh, it has X-ray and everything. So this is medicine, and it has something around 468 pages. Yeah, 468 pages. This is medicine. Then we have orthopedics. Oh, it's nice too. So I'll give a detailed review or information after I'm done reading all this, which will take a time. Lots of time, and I hope I succeed what I really ordered it for in my mission. Surgery. I love surgery. So here it is. It's written volume 1, so I guess there is volume 2 as well, and there's a very good quote behind it. I should read it. When there is no place for the scalpel, words are the surgeon's only tool. So this is volume 1. I'll keep it aside. Oh, radiology. I am so behind in radiology, you know. For radiology, you need to have strong anatomy, and so like you have to have strong basics. And I guess I'm still not done with my basics properly, so I should do it, and then maybe I'll be damn good at radiology. Let's see. Oh, there are 285 pages. No, 286 pages. It is. Wow. It's good. Looking at, like, I cannot actually tell you how good it is just by looking at the pictures and everything, but I'll definitely review it once I'm done. So yeah, as I said that there is volume 2 as well. So there is volume 2. Here it is. Surgery is a vast subject, definitely. And it's fun, right? Okay, so there's anatomy. Okay, so for the medicine, as I showed you, that medicine, it was also medicine volume 1. It also has part, and here it is volume 3. Fair. Medicine is a very, very vast subject. It is a very like important subject. You have to know it. Oh, ENT. ENT, yeah, the pages are not much, but okay. Yeah, so here it is the volume 2 for medicine. My god, volume 3. So this is 3 volumes. Nice. Community medicine also has 2 parts. I didn't know that. Like, I thought it's just one book. Okay, so there in Ukraine we have community medicine as like social medicine, and honestly I never took it very seriously until I realized how important it is here in India and how much important it is there. I used to take it lightly, honestly, like not the way I should have taken it, but as you know, it's never too late to start. So yes, now I'm getting on it, and it has 2 volumes, volume 1 and volume 2. Guys, this is an important subject. Don't be me. Focus, study. And please don't waste your time and don't wait till 4th year to start your studies, okay? Just like do it. Start early. It's the key. Pathology volume 1. Pathology is a very interesting subject. Like once you start studying it, you can't stop. It's amazing. Like I enjoy it. Oh, psychiatry. Yeah, it's a very. This has no volume and it's a very like with very few pages. That's it. There are, I guess, 28 videos in the Marrow for this. If I'm not wrong, yeah. Oh, pathology volume 2. Here it is. Am I showing it properly? I hope I am. This is biochemistry. Biochemistry is scary for me sometimes. This is ophthalmology. Forensic medicine. My current cycle is forensic medicine, you know. Here it is. Gynecology. Gynecology also has no volume, it's just one book. The doctors are flying here. I guess it's all the books. I guess they sent all of it. Let's see. This is dermatology. It's good. This is addendum. It's quite heavy, like not many pages. Obstetrics. Dr. Sakshi Arora ma'am is so amazing. I am not sure if you guys are done with your gynecology, but she is so damn amazing. I fell in love with her. No, really, she's damn amazing. Physiology. I really need to get on this. This is a very important subject. Again, all the basic subjects you are having right now, they are very important. If you are in first or second year, please do your basics right. Do it correctly, do it properly. Like once you are done with your basics, once you have strong basics, you can do any subject. Really, you can do any subject very easily. This is pharmacology. Pharmacology. I'm so scared of this subject, but again, there's nothing you can do without pharmacology, right? That's the whole point of being doctors, so that we can prescribe medicine. Ooh, microbiology. When I was in second year, I used to enjoy this subject. It was fun, like reading all of it. I hope this all doesn't fall. Can you see it? Like, I can make a tower out of it. Where am I gonna keep it? Like, my whole house is full with all the things. with all my books. Yes. Anesthesia. Oh, there's a mask. And pediatrics. So all of the subjects. So now I can show you nicely. So here finally we meet. I don't know. It's a beautiful box. I love it. I'm gonna keep it if my mom allows. Okay, so as I told you, like stick to it. There's something at the end. So here is a keychain they sent me. I'll just open it. Ooh, it's written Marrow behind, and see, it's a heart. It's beautiful. Put your heart into it. Damn, I'm trying. So let's count how many notes are there. Like how many books? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So there are total 26 notes. Oh, also there was one more gift which I forgot to open. Let's see. Oh, cool. I have the same markers. Highlighters. These are the highlighters. Like I have the same highlighters. These are my 4 colors. Thank you, Marrow. I guess that's it. There are 26 books. 26 books. And guys, I should get back to it. I should just start studying. I promise myself that as soon as I will get the notes, I will start again. I will again get into this. So if anyone asking, I live in Nagpur and I ordered it on I guess 12th of April and today is 15th. So I received it today. Like I got it very early. So I'm so glad I got it early. Like even they want me to study as soon as possible. Like God is helping me out. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching me. You can subscribe me if you want and I'll see you later. Bye.